3, 2, 1, battle! Oh, yeah! Oh, Sebastian!
Seb, come on.
Oh!
Kill. Oh my god.
Ah, stay away from it! Go forward! I can't turn! Oh. You just damaged yourself, I'm pretty sure.
Oh. Kill that one.
Sebastian, try and go towards it. Oh!
It can't come on.
Yeah!
Finish it.
So cool.
Finish it. Yes!
Oh, finish it fully. Destroy it in half. In half? Yes, and I want to see it in half. It would be fun to watch.
You still have a chance if there's screws on the floor that might run through his tires.
You know what stuff?
Try and go forward. Oh yes! You're close. Yay! My defense attack! Seb, spin around, then you got a weapon.
No, you can't spin the boat first.
I'm defending myself.
The weapons with yours.
Yes, Seb did it.
Yes, go.
Done.
You stay. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh, there's a
I'm
chip
gonna
on
win.
it.
Oh shoot.
Go, Seb.
Stay.
Hit it. Seb, all you have to do is hit it.
I can't. I have no weapon.
No,
already banned.
all you have to do is run into it.
Yeah, because it's already banned.
Yeah, Seb, all you have to know, come back and keep running it. That's your only
Seb, you might win. You're gonna get broken. Uh-oh, don't let